Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Shipwize. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in shipwize.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shipwize website. Now in order to log into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into your login portal. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account, or enter your user ID. You can then type in your account password underneath within the password box. And now click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Shipwize account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option above the password box, which will allow you to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Shipwize. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.